Hey there, I'm Laura of Laura McDowell Creative. I do graphic design for small business and solo entrepreneurs. I am here to give you quick tips and tricks on graphic design, especially things that you can do yourself in Canva with templates, all the cool features that they have to offer. If that sounds like something that's interesting for you and your business, go ahead and like and subscribe this channel so that you can be notified whenever I have new videos coming out. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about Canva's background remover feature. Now, this feature is specific to the Canva Pro account. So if you have the free version, you don't have access to this. However, take a look through it. It's a really cool feature. See if it might be something that you'll find beneficial to your business. If you think it's something that you'll use often, maybe it'll be worth getting the Pro account. If you have a Pro account, you already have access to this feature. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm going to show you some easy ways that you can use this feature to do some really cool stuff for your business. So let's get started. All right, so I'm here in my Canva account and I'm just going to come right up to create design. And I'm going to select Instagram post just so I have a nice square artboard to work off of. So here's my empty artboard here. And I'm going to come over to photos right here on the left-hand side. Photos is a feature that's available to everyone, no matter what type of account you have. Keep in mind, if you have a Pro account, you have access to all the photos. They're all included with your subscription. If you don't have the Pro account, you will have the ability to see all the images, but if you find any like this that are labeled Pro, you can go ahead and use those and just pay $1 to have access to them. Otherwise, there are tons of photos that you can use for free. And here's a little bonus tip. You can actually come right up here to this little filter and you can choose free from the checkbox. And when you click apply filters, it will remove any of the photos that are paid. So this way you don't accidentally fall in love with something if you're not looking to pay for it. So quick little tip there. So what we want to do is just kind of take a look through some of the images that we have. We want to find something that has a subject that we really like, but maybe doesn't have the background that we want. So let's take a look at this one. I'd actually be really interested to see how well the background remover works on this image, since it's technically two people. So in order to use the background remover, all you're going to do is select the image, and you're going to have access to all the different menu options for photos. Click on effects, and it's going to just be the very top option here. So again, if you have a Canva Pro account, you're going to have this option here. It's been around for a while now, so every account should have access to it at this point. You may have noticed with Canva Pro and even Canva free accounts, sometimes features will roll out slowly. So you may see that you have something, or you may notice someone else talking about something that you don't have yet. And they kind of roll things out over time. But at this point, I'm pretty sure everyone will have background remover. So I think this actually worked really, really well. If you click out, you can see the whole background's been removed. And so now it's just our subjects. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new page. And now what I want to do is find a background. So if we take a look at our original picture, it had this sort of water, ocean, beachy type background to it. So maybe we want to try to find like playground. So I'm going to go ahead and just do a quick search for playground and see what we find. Let's see how this one might work. So I'm going to add another new page here, put my playground in. I'm gonna resize that, and then let's go ahead and grab these guys. I'm gonna actually right-click to copy, and then right-click down here to paste. And I'm actually gonna have to move this picture. Oh, maybe it didn't paste. Here we go. Oh, now I have two of them. I see what happened. It was like holding it there. So there we go. And they might be a little large. It's definitely like a perspective thing. Like if they're standing, you know, closer to us and the playground is in the background. But there you go. So we went from this picture where they're here at the water to this one where they're here at the playground. So it's pretty quick and easy to go ahead and do that. So another thing that you might have noticed that's become kind of popular is people's profile photos of them with just like a plain colored wall in the background. Let me see if I can find an example. I don't know if I'll find one with a free account. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the filter here. And I guess kind of like this one where you have this woman and she's just like, it looks to be just like this yellow room and it's kind of like very artsy, right? And maybe you want to do something like that for your own business. So how can we go ahead and do something like that for our business? So now let's see if we can find a nice photo. Here we go. So maybe we've got this woman and she's like here to do her brand shoot and she's like on the street in front of this building. And it's a great photo, but maybe she wants it to be the background as one of her brand colors. So we're going to go ahead again, select the photo and select effects and background remover. We're going to watch Canva do its magic. See how it goes. It's not always perfect, but it definitely seems like it's getting better. Yeah, that came out really good. So there she is. And so let's go ahead and pick a color. So I'm going to go ahead and select colors and we can just throw something behind her. Let's see what might look good. She's got that pink jacket on. That one's not bad. It's kind of fun. So you get the idea. And you can kind of really play around with the different background options and find one that's got like a really nice vibe for your photo. So there you have it, 2 different ways that you can use Canva's background remover. I hope that you guys have lots of fun playing around with that. It's definitely something that you can go down a rabbit hole with. So like I said, have fun with it. If you've used it before or if you go ahead and use it after watching this video, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know how you like it, what you've done, how you've used it. We'd love to share some more creative ways to go about taking advantage of this feature. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching.